Where do you work?
Hi, puppy. Did your mommy feed you today?
Not
Oh no, your puppy sounds hungry.
Yes. My puppy tell my puppy
Oh no, I hear your puppy's belly gurgling. You should feed that puppy.
It doesn't milk.
You just got milk.
You know how milk. You know how walk. That's how the puppy.
Well, Lemma, you sound like a very loving mother. I'll let you get to your puppy, okay? Give your puppy a big hug for me. And say, no, Bob.
I will.
Okay, I love you.
Love you. I fly that puppy here.
Okay, thank you. Love you.
Love you.
Mwah.